Want to turn your closet into cash? Welcome to Poshmark, the marketplace for buying and selling fashion items. Whether you are new to fashion, a seasoned designer, or just decluttering, Poshmark is go-to platform. Hi, this is Tajid from Acom Clips. In this video, I will show you everything you need to start selling on Poshmark. We will introduce the interface, create listings, and share tips to boost your sales. So let's get started. Before getting started, you need to know about the Poshmark. Well, you already know that it is an online marketplace, but this is kind of different from other online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and so on. The big difference is its interface. Unlike Amazon, Poshmark feels more like a social media platform. Another thing to know is that Poshmark is mainly for buying and selling fashion items. Hold on, that doesn't mean you have to sell only fashion items on Poshmark. There's no rules saying you can only deal with clothes and accessories. You can sell anything on Poshmark just like on Amazon. But over time, Poshmark has become popular for fashion items. So it's mostly known for that. If I go to Poshmark website, you will understand. Here it is. You will need to log in or sign up. If you have an account, log in. If you do not, sign up using these options. I will show you later in this video how can you sign up, how can you start selling. We'll show you everything you need to know as a beginner, so do not worry. Alright, check out this slider. This one, and this one. Do you see it? Poshmark focus a lot on fashion and clothing. Now scroll down a bit. Here they show you what's popular on Poshmark. For women, it's all fashion related stuff. For men, it's the same fashion and accessories. And for kids, it's also a fashion item. Fashion related things are really popular here. So you got this right. Poshmark itself encourages fashion items. But to start, you may have concern about their fees. How much does it cost to start selling on Poshmark? When selling on Poshmark, here's what you need to know about fees. For sales under $15, Poshmark charges a flat fee of $2.95. For sales of $25 or more, they take a 20% commission. When you make a sale, Poshmark takes their fee from your earning and gives you a prepaid shipping label to send the item. Alright, let me show you the interface, what it exactly looks like. After signing up or log in, this is the first page you will land on. Doesn't it looks like a social media page to you? Here appears whom you follow in Poshmark. On the left, you also seeing brands. This is the post show, and if you scroll down, these are the posts. Whether sellers show their new listing, promote their products, etc. Alright, let's see how you can edit a profile, create a listing and all. So for that, go to My Closet. This is what it looks like. Here you can edit your profile. For that, click on this. You can change your header. This is similar to your Facebook page. So you already know how to do it. Here you can change your photo. Here your first name and your last name. You can add your bio. I will suggest you to add bio. Short and concise, but informative and also engaging. You can use your brand motto on this. Alright, your gender, college, not necessary, but you should add your website link in here. This will be helpful because when buyers will visit your closet, here your website will appear. This is clickable and people can easily go to your main website. Anyway, back to the edit profile. After making all the changes, you simply hit the save button. And you are all set. But how are you going to add your listings? Well, very simple. For that, go to Sell on Poshmark. Click that. This is the page where you can add your listing. You can add single products, or if you want to add in bulk, click here. And here you have some templates. These are the templates you need to download. After preparing, you can upload here and then click the upload listing. That's how you can create a bulk listing. And for the single listing, here upload your product's photo first. Then comes the title. Add engaging keywords, heavy product description in the description section. Then add category, your quantity, available size of your product. This section below such tags, brand, color, style tags, these are optional. If you want to add, you can add. If you do not want to, don't add. It's up to you. Anyways, here comes the pricing. Alright, here you can see the options. Original price, your listing price. If you fill up this, let's say the original price is 10, but you set listing price 22. Here you can see your earning. When your item will be sold, you will get that much. Alright, click next. I cannot because I'm just showing you the process. I'm not actually listing anything. So, however, if you hit the next, this page will appear. We will be asked whether do you want to share this. You can set it according to your need. Click list item and boom, your listing is listed, and also it appears in your other social media sites as well. Okay, this is how you can create your listing. This is not hard. Alright, so you created your profile and you list your products. What next? It's really time to give you some tips for your Poshmark selling journey so that you can fast sell on Poshmark. Clear and bright photos are super important for getting buyers on Poshmark. Make sure to take pictures in good light so the color and detail really pop. Use a plain background to make your item stand out. Snap multiple photos from different angles to show the front, back, and any special features. For example, if you are selling a dress, take a pic of the whole dress on a hanger, a close-up of any cool patterns or designs, and a shot of the label with the size and brand. This helps buyers see exactly what they are getting and make your listing like pro. This helps buyers see exactly what they are getting and makes your listing like pro. Share your items at Poshmark parties and with your followers to get more eyes on them. For example, if there's a Poshmark party for summer clothes, share your summer dresses and swimsuits during that event. Also, do not forget to share your items with your followers a few times a day. This keeps your listing at the top of their feed and increase the chances of making a sale. Regular sharing helps keep your shop visible and clear head to quicker sales. Run promotions or give bundle deals to make your listing more appealing. For example, you can create a sale where buyers get 20% off if they purchase 2 or more items from your closet, or offer a special discount during weekends to boost sales. These deals make shoppers feel like they are getting a good deal and encourage them to buy more from you. Regular promotions can help you stand out and increase your sales on Poshmark. When you are listing items on Poshmark, make sure to use keywords that shoppers are likely to search for. This helps your listing show up more often in search results. For example, if you are selling a pair of Nike running shoes, include keywords like Nike runner shoes, athlete sneakers, and sporty footwears in your title and description. These keywords will help potential buyers find out your listing when they search for similar items on Poshmark. Using effective keywords improves your visibility and increases the chances of making a sale. Provide excellent customer service. When you are selling on Poshmark, make sure to give an awesome customer service. Answer questions fast and be friendly in your chats with buyers. For instance, if someone asks about an item's size or condition, get back them quickly with all info. Being super helpful and nice can really boost your sales and keep buyers happy on Poshmark. Promote your listing. To get more people to see your stuff on Poshmark, share your listings on social media or join Poshmark parties. It's a great way to get more exposure. For example, post a pic of your favorite item on Instagram and link to your Poshmark closet. This can help you reach more buyers who might be interested in what you are selling. Sharing and promoting like this can really boost your sales on Poshmark. Alright, these are the tips you can follow. By following these tips and staying active on Poshmark, you can sell your items faster. Keep engaging with the platform and you will see more sales in no time. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can see our other videos to hone your business skills. We have tons of informative videos like this. You can visit our website ecomclips.com, which has lots of cool things you want to check out to make sure to level up your e-commerce strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of best-selling products. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your account. So, check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So, thanks for tuning in today. We will catch up in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.